Convening leaders. Welcome to Philadelphia, and we are so excited to have you.
I am here at PCMA to learn, to meet, to network, and I'm having a fantastic time. I'm excited about taking away, learning those extra special skills to help you lead dynamic teams through adversity. I'm excited about rebuilding some of the connections I've made throughout the years.
The responsibility of legacy, the potential of momentum, and the power of unity. When we work together, we can shape the future of events.
Now let's go to the after party.
Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa, whoa, like, whoa. Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa, whoa. Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa. Everywhere I go, heads turning, looking at me like, whoa.
We'll see you in Miami in 2027.